Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is the 18th of December 2024. The day is Wednesday, and I'm yet here, your host Rakesh Kumar, with another stream live, where I'll be discussing with you the price action based on the Major Forex pairs. I'll also be discussing the key levels for the Brent crude oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other yen crosses also. So my request to you is that please do not confuse me, first of all, as an employee of Gas Copy Bank, because I'm not their employee. Now, when I say this, I mean to say that everything that I am going to tell you or share with you here on this live stream, that is my own opinion or my own trading idea. It has nothing to do with the Gas Copy Bank. This is one thing. Their research team and my analysis are different things, okay? They may coincidentally be same, but I'm doing my own analysis. I'm just using the YouTube channel to showcase my own analysis because I don't have any channel. Right now, I don't have any channel. I may have in the future. As a technical analyst, I know that everything that is happening in and around the world is already priced into the chart. So I'll not be talking about anything that is happening around the world. I'll be only focused on the charts. And so in quick time, like 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be sharing my key levels or key zones that may be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming time. So my request is that please go through these charts and understand the importance of the fair value gaps, understand the importance of the price action, and maybe you want to incorporate them into your trading. But I don't advise you to place trades based on my own analysis. I think you should do your own analysis before you place your real money in the line. Now, if you really want to take these trades, when I say so, you can do it on the demo so that you have a confidence of how better or how well they behave or how well they are useful. Okay, how are they useful in the trading? Now, I'll be framing my trading setups across these zones, so please understand them and see if you can use them in your trading. Okay. Now, before I start the session, I must take you through the risk disclaimer, please. So understand the risk that is associated when you trade on the margin money, and mostly Forex is trading on the margin money. It can act both ways in the profit and sell side. So please read this when you are understood. When you have understood this risk, then only move to the charts. Now for charts, I'm using the JForex platform of the Dukas Copy Bank. This is a wonderful platform to trade. Okay, there's all the things necessary to make you profitable. Okay, now on your screen right now is the daily chart of the US dollar index. We don't need to analyze where the US dollar has the levels. We just need to know the general direction where the market is headed or where the US dollar is headed. You see from here, the price was headed higher. Then eventually it broke this market structure here and started going lower. Then it broke this market structure and started going higher. Now we are expecting a move higher. Okay. So that means we are expecting higher price in the dollar. That means we are expecting lower price in the pound and the other markets, right? This fair value gap, this area was kept open by the market yesterday. So I'm expecting lower prices still till the time the price does not close above this fair value gap tick by tick. Till that time, I will not be a buyer in this market. Okay, I will be seller. So now, to what extent the price can go to 1.2486 and also to 1.2445. Though I am not very bearish in the pound. Okay, I'm not very much bearish in the pound, but yes, if the US dollar starts going up, there is a possibility that the pound will start going down. But to what extent? 1.2445. I am not expecting much lower prices in this one. Yes, in the euro, I'm expecting lower prices because the euro is showing the signs of going lower. You see here, it has broken below the low of yesterday. Pound has not broken below the low of yesterday. So that means euro is weaker as compared to the pound. So you have to keep this in mind, okay? Now Australian dollar is even weaker. And also it is trying to give us another fair value gap on the way down. When the market gives a fair value gap, that means it is in a hurry to rush to some place. Now I think it is in a hurry to rush to 0.6270. Now tomorrow, if it gives some reversal from here and gives you an anti opportunity in this region, I think you should be taking that with the target of 0.6270 and 0.6170 in the downside. What about the New Zealand dollar? Is it also acting like the Australian dollar? Let's see. Yeah, New Zealand dollar also is acting like that. Okay, yesterday here we were looking for selling opportunity, right? And the price beautifully sold off from there. Why did I mark this 0? Even I don't know. Okay. Anyways, if you check the daily, the market has just given you a fair value gap here. Okay. And this fair value gap may be used tomorrow or maybe next week to look for the selling opportunities, right? This may be your option to go short tomorrow or maybe the after. Okay, like this. To what extent it can go? 0.5508 is the next target on the downside. Otherwise, I don't see. Oh, there is something. This is important here on the daily chart. This is an open fair value gap, which is important. Okay. This may push the price higher. This level here can push the price higher. So we'll witness how the price behaves when it comes here. Okay. But if you are selling tomorrow or day after here at around 0.5752, then you should be selling with that least target of 0.5655. All right. What about the USD CHF? I told you that this is a fair value gap. This is a market structure shift. This fair value gap may be providing you opportunity to go long and give you targets on the upside. This high, then this high, and then this fair value gap. Okay. USD JPY. Yesterday, you looked for shorting opportunity till this fair value gap. Then there was buying to this fair value gap. This is perfect. Now this range is balanced. Any close above this fair value gap will push the prices further higher, which I am expecting because I am expecting US dollar index to go higher. Okay, so expect dollar to go higher against the yen, and 156.74 is what I'm looking for. I will be looking for even further higher targets of 158.85 once the price sufficiently closes above 156.74. Bitcoin bearish engulfing? No, not yet. So this fair value gap is what the price is trading right now. The prices are already made 108377 is high, and thereafter it started selling off. Today it met this fair value gap. So till the time the price does not close below this, I will not be expecting any sell off, and this can be just a correction, more buying. Let's see how the things unfold in the future. What about the Brent? I think we talked about this. We don't want the Brent to keep falling from here. We want it to give us a market structure shift and then a fair value gap here in the form of red. This should be a red fair value gap. Okay, this is what we are expecting. This is what we are expecting here, guys. We are expecting the price to give us a market structure shift from here, from this fair value gap, after taking this liquidity, and then that can be a selling opportunity. Gold, we are expecting lower prices in this one because of this intersection or the confluence of two fair value gaps. Okay, this is very important. The price may keep going lower from here to this fair value gap at least. Euro yen has not traded this fair value gap and has come lower. So I'm not willing to sell this market. I'm willing to see the market pushes into this, then get rejected and gives us a market structure shift. Right now, I'm not willing to trade this market on the sell side. Yes, I will be trading it on the sell side if the price trades this fair value gap. Keep this in your notes. I'm not selling this market right now. I'm looking for a market structure shift like this. And then I will be selling it like this from a hypothetical fair value gap somewhere here. All right, this is what I am expecting. Let us see if I can get that or not. All right. Pound, very bullish on the pound. Why? Because the Australian dollar is very bearish. Pound is very bullish. So expect higher prices, 2.5, 2.4, something like this. Okay. The price may break out from here, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. Why? Because the pound is very bullish. Australian dollar, very bearish. So this will result in, I think, this may be a trade of the year if you can get it somewhere here. I think. Okay. CHFJPY. Well, it is not ready to leave this area, although I'm expecting it to leave this area very fast from here. But because maybe USDJPY and other yen pairs are going higher, that's why CHFJPY is not able to push lower. But eventually, I will be expecting the price to go lower in this market. Or in New Zealand, after this closing this gap, now there's this candle has taken highs and lows, so there's manipulation on the both sides of the market. Even if the market rises from here, I will be looking for the selling opportunities only, although the lower prices are more acceptable in this market than the higher prices because of this market structure shift. Liquidity taken, the market structure shift, traded the fair value gap. It should break through this low now anytime soon. Yes, again a bullish engulfing on the daily with the fair value gap. Well, this is a part of this fair value gap, so we can just put it here and look for a buying opportunity with a target of this 3.645, and then the higher prices which I have not marked. Okay, 4.8 is what I have marked. Yes, guys, EuroCAD. EuroCAD, I think we were looking for the selling opportunities in the EuroCAD. I think we got that also. Yesterday we were looking for something here from the 50% and we got it on the 15-minute. I think, yes. No, we were looking for something here that did not happen. So it happened from the 50-minute. 15-minute, you see how it happened. When it traded the 15-minute, it gave you an impulse, or you can say, yeah, impulsive, right? So this is your first fair value gap. This is your entry fair value gap. You enter it here and then you boom. This is your first liquidity. You have the lower targets also. But yes, it has started finally. My friend, if you have any questions, I mean, this is your first fair value gap. This is also called breakaway gap. Then after you have your entry fair value gap. This is from where you enter as selling opportunity. Okay, you enter it here. Your stop loss should be higher than this fair value gap. Your target should be the first lows that you see on the left. That's it. This is based on the 15 minutes. If you are holding it for the daily then all, then you have much lower targets on this one here, because there's no fair value gap whatsoever. So this should be a target. Okay, but yeah, stop loss you have to keep in mind. Ethereum finally trading the fair value gap that it had created on the way down. It has not created any fair value gap. That means the downside is limited, upside is unlimited. So yeah, if this bullish candle does not give us, more room for going upside, then the bearishness may continue. But I'm expecting higher prices in this market now. Why? Because this bullish fair value gap is there just beneath the price. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free. Today I see that there are 3 viewers here. Okay, one is me, 2 others are there. If you would like to say hello, you can say hello in the chat so that I come to know who is there with me. And at any point of time, if you feel like you are missing out something, okay, I don't understand this, I understand this. Any query, question, doubts, you can ask. And I just hope that you are getting some advantage of this analysis that I'm doing daily here. I just hope. The The problem is that the trading is so easy, but we try to complicate it. There are so many trades coming up every day. Now, if I just have to show you on the Brent, there is a trade in the low time frames. Okay, this is happening every day. Now, when the price was lower, we knew that it is going into this fair value gap that is red. So we will get some market structure shift or something, right? The price went inside, it gave you market structure shift here. You don't enter sell. No, why? Because there is no impulsive move. Did you see any imbalance like this on the downside? No, not yet, not yet. But here it is. Can you see this is an impulse? This is a fast move. Tuk, duk, like that. Okay. You just create a fair value gap. You enter at the fair value gap. Boom. Next low is your target. That's it. Done. Done, my guy. Done. We're done here. You enter at 74.07. You exit at 73.77. That's it. That's your trade. You're not satisfied with this? It's okay. It went higher again. Gave you another market structure shift with an impulsive move. This is your fair value gap. You enter here. You enter here. Okay. Your stop loss is here. Take profit is here. Or here. Wherever you see. This is the next step. This is your stop. Take profit. You can book your partial here. You can book your profits here. Or here. Anyway. You see how big move it gives you later on. Anyways, guys. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, I would like to answer them. And if not, then I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. This really helps in the statistics and will be profitable for you in the longer run. And yeah, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and also please, if you're new, consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.